Some of the greatest tips so you can make an online income. If you are like most people today, you are finding it difficult to get a job, and that is why many are turning to the online world for work. The internet is a terrific place to make a little extra money. Some even do it for a living. Check out the tips below to learn more. Even though you may be able to make money online regularly, keeping physical records of your work and earnings is still important. Print out the data from a well-maintained spreadsheet or keep a notebook by your computer. Keep accurate and up-to-date information that you will later need for tax purposes, to verify income, or just for your own purposes. Data can be lost all too easily online. Consider the things you already do, be they hobbies or chores, and consider how you can use those talents online. If you make your children clothing, make 2 of each and sell the extra on the internet. Love to bake? Offer your skills through a website and people will hire you. Consider domain name flipping. Many folks earn money from clever domain names. It's kind of like flipping real estate because it does require a bit of money to do. Google Adsense can help you find out what is trending. Try purchasing domains that make use of acronyms. Many of these can pay off. Never pay money out of your own pocket when earning money online. No legitimate business will make you pay money to start doing work for them. People who do ask for money are likely trying to scam you. Avoid companies like this at all costs. The more you learn about the money-making potential of the internet, the easier it is to see why many people are taking advantage of online opportunities. You may have imagined that making money online would be very hard, but this isn't really the case. Follow these tips to have an easy time of it. Try out these tips and before you know it, the money will be rolling your way. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.